Hey guys, I connect my Jackery with this extension. So right there, I'm going to turn on the light because it's going to be easy to see. So I'm going to connect different items. So let's connect this small light. Boom, right there. You see, it's connected. The Jackery. This is the on and off button, and you have to press this button to connect things right here. In this case, I connect this adapter. One of the cool things about this light is I can control with my voice. So let's try. Dumb light, turn on, turn off the light. Dumb light, turn off the light. Dumb lamp, turn on the light. You see every time that I give him a command, like dumb light, I see a blink. Dim the light. Dumb lamp, brighter the light. Dumb light, change the color. So dumb light, brighten the light. All right, so here you go. We're gonna connect different stuff. So I have my eye wash. So I'm just gonna connect it right here to the USB port. So you gotta press this button, and here you go. It's charging. So we have the light, we have the eye wash. So I'm gonna connect my phone, my iPhone. Let's see what happens. Let's give it a minute. So it's charging. I can connect also these, AirPods right there, charging. So all these at the same time. I'm just gonna connect. Let me just connect this one, the iWatch. I'm gonna connect this router right here. Boom, the router is working. Let's connect this blood pressure monitor. Okay.
Starting measurement. Please remain still and quiet.
So you see, start working. I have it without the battery. No battery. Let's stop this. I'm gonna try the breathing machine. Okay, the breathing machine. The breathing machine is connected. All right, works. What else we're gonna connect? Okay, we're gonna connect that lamp right there. So we're gonna have two lamps connected. All right, that lamp works. This one works too. At the same time, I'm gonna connect this humidifier. Okay, let's see if this one works. Okay, the humidifier is working. Humidifier works. All right. Perfect. What else? I'm gonna charge my scooter. Oh, let's try also the TV. So let me disconnect this right here. All right, let's try the TV. Okay, we connect the TV. TV is on. Let's try the remote control. All right, TV is working. Power with the Jackery. All right. So we had TV, we had, gotta try the fans also. All right, let me get the fans. Boom, TV is working. So you see, TV is connected.